Hello and welcome to my kitchen. We are here another day for another fantastic recipe, and today is the turn of homemade tomato sauce, and this is so nice that you will never buy tomato sauce in a shop again. This is a recipe that my mom taught me. She used to make her own tomato sauce and many other things, and I'm going to share it with you today. And the way that we start is by heating up some oil in a big pot. And what we're going to do first is we're going to add the onions. And we will let the onions cook until they are slightly soft and a bit brown. Now that the onions are a bit soft, I'm going to add the garlic and let it cook for a couple of minutes. And now we will add the chopped peppers and we'll let them cook for 5 minutes or so. I'm going to add fresh parsley. I got it off my garden, and if you don't have fresh, you can add dry parsley. And now I'm going to add oregano. I am lucky enough to have Dominican oregano, which to me is a very good oregano. But obviously you use whichever oregano you've got. Now what I will do, because I like it, I will put a splash of wine and let it reduce. Obviously that is to your taste. If you don't want it, don't put it in, but I like it, so there it goes. That's it. I will let it reduce a little bit. Now I will add a touch of salt. I use pink salt, as usual. It's healthier than the normal white salt. I'll mix it. And now I'll add the tomatoes. I got lots of tomatoes, so here they go. I didn't lie when I said I had lots of tomatoes and that you needed a gigantic pot. So now we will mix as best as we can from the bottom up, because we want all those flavors to mix. Obviously, as this gets cooked, it will be easier to remove and mix. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add salt. I'm going to add the paprika, sweet paprika. I'm going to add some sugar for the acidity, and we'll mix it. I'm going to add a bit of water. And I'm going to let it cook, covered, for about half an hour, 40 minutes, more or less. We'll keep on checking, keep on mixing every now and then, just to make sure everything is getting cooked. It smells nice. It will taste even better. Okay, so it's been half an hour more or less. We're going to see how the sauce is doing. Ooh, look at that. Lovely. I've been mixing now and then just to make sure everything gets cooked properly. And I have tested for salt and acidity and the spices, and I have adjusted accordingly. So remember to do that, because you may not like something so salty or so acidic. So it's good if you check it now and then. Test it and make sure it is to your taste, not to mine. I give you the basic recipe and you change it and swap it to your taste, which is the important thing. You make it as you like it. Now what we are going to do, we're going to take it off the heat and we're going to work it in the chino. Right, so here is my chino. You may have seen me use it another time. I can't remember what for. Oh yeah, for albóndigas a la española, albóndigas Spanish style. And what we do, we will put the sauce in here. We will use it, and what this will make, it will make a puree, and it will give you a tomato sauce, basically. So we get our sauce, we load it on the chino, and we start working with it until we use the whole thing. This is what is left of all those tomatoes. See? This is what we call bagazo. All the bits that we don't need. So those stay there. And now we have this lovely sauce. No filters, no bright red tomato sauce. I managed to get all this sauce. Must be about 5 liters, 5-6 liters, something like that, 5.5 maybe. Sauce you can put in containers and freeze it, different sizes, so you use it for different things. You can put them in your ice cube tray, so you have small bits of sauce to add to your meals. If you don't need that much sauce, only a touch of tomato sauce. These are really, really tasty. It smells lovely. Look, see. Smells nice, very nice. So, if you like this recipe or any of the other recipes in the channel, give us a like, subscribe, share with your friends. Put in your spaghettis, in your albóndigas con tomate. With this I will leave you because I'm going to get on with dinner. So I'll see you in the next video.